Hey guys, Chung here. We are at BIRTV at DZOFILMs. This is one of the newer lens brands or cinema lens brands that's out there, because I have seen them online for a while, but I haven't seen their website, and now actually finally seeing them up close. So it's quite an interesting compact lens. It's a 20-70mm. It's a Micro Four Thirds mount, and I've actually seen this already before at the ZCam booth, and actually a few more booths they have placed their samples there. They have actually two lenses out. So here I have the 10-24 and here the 20-70. So two cinema lenses, two zoom cinema lenses. So this is actually T2.9 and this is also T2.9. So don't have to fear that the brightness is going to be different. What is actually comparable to, so this is a 20-48 and this is a 40-140. So these are actual proper cinema lenses, because these have back focusing. So back focusing, what's that actually for? If you have a lens that you want to set up to be properly parfocal, you need to back focus them.
What parfocal does is when you zoom in and out, the focus will always stay at the same place, while a lot of photography lenses, when you zoom in and out, the focus would actually shift.
Also, different weather conditions, different temperature can affect your parfocal length, because the back focusing can change due to the metal shrinking and be expanding. So this having a back focus is very interesting for setting your parfocal to be perfect, especially if people don't know where, like if you are from B4 lenses, broadcast lenses, you know about back focusing. You always need to back focus your lenses every time. And especially like all these Micro Four Thirds cameras, especially you have like some with irises and some without, and also many of them aren't perfectly built. So the focal or the focus isn't always the same. So having a back focus, you can actually make it perfectly work with all your lenses. And yeah, this is actually really cool that this is, I think, like really well designed for a upcoming new company, like just jumping into like the film lenses.
Also, not every mount is perfect. That's why they have mounting points under the lens to prevent the lens from rotating while you're zooming or focusing.
This is like by far I've seen like well thought of. And yeah, nothing much to talk about, then maybe like try out the lenses and see some of the results. So yeah, so if you want to know more about them, right now I think there's only like a few Facebook groups and pages. I'm not sure, is there a website yet?
Yes.
Okay, so now they have a website, so I'll have a link in the description below where you can check out more details about these lenses and yeah, where you maybe can buy them. So if you found this a very useful video and want to see more upcoming videos, hit that subscribe button here below, and also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.